Welcome to this video on how to use affiliate marketing to boost your online business. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, including what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to increase your revenue. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that allows businesses to earn a commission by promoting other people's or company's product. It is a win-win situation for both the affiliate marketer and the product owner, as the affiliate marketer earns a commission for every sale made through their unique affiliate link, while the product owner gets more exposure and sales with their product. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is that it is a low-risk, high-reward strategy. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to invest any money upfront to promote a product. Instead, you earn a commission only when a sale is made through your affiliate link. This means that you can start earning money right away without any significant investment. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is that it is a scalable strategy. You can promote multiple products at the same time, and as your audience grows, so does your earning potential. With the right strategy and approach, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative source of passive income. In the next segment, we will discuss how to find the right affiliate products to promote. To make the most out of affiliate marketing, it is essential to find the right products to promote. Here are some tips to help you find the right affiliate products. 1. Choose products that align with your niche. It is crucial to promote products that are relevant to your niche and audience. This ensures that your audience is more likely to be interested in the product, and therefore more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate link. 2. Look for high-quality products. Promoting high-quality products not only ensures that your audience is satisfied with their purchase, but it also helps build your credibility as an affiliate marketer. Look for products that have positive reviews and a good reputation in the market. 3. Check the commission rate. While choosing affiliate products, it is essential to check the commission rate offered by the product owner. Look for products that offer a reasonable commission rate, preferably above 30%. 4. Consider the conversion rate. The conversion rate refers to the percentage of people who make a purchase after clicking on your affiliate link. Look for products that have a high conversion rate, as this indicates that the product is popular and has a high chance of making a sale. 5. Research the competition. Before promoting a product, it is essential to research the competition and see how many other affiliate marketers are promoting the same product. If the market is saturated, it may be challenging to make a sale, so it is better to look for products with less competition. Once you have found the right affiliate products to promote, the next step is to create content that promotes the product effectively. In the next segment, we will discuss how to create compelling content that drives sales. To make the most out of affiliate marketing, it is essential to create compelling content that drives sales. Here are some tips to help you create effective content. 1. Know your audience. Before creating content, it is essential to understand your audience's needs and preferences. This ensures that your content is relevant and resonates with your audience, increasing the chances of making a sale. 2. Highlight the benefits. When promoting a product, it is essential to highlight the benefits of the product and how it can solve your audience's problems. This helps create a sense of urgency and encourages your audience to make a purchase. 3. Use visuals. Visuals such as images and videos can help make your content more engaging and memorable. Use high-quality visuals that showcase the product in action and highlight its features. 4. Use persuasive language. Use persuasive language that encourages your audience to take action. Use phrases such as limited time offer or act now to create a sense of urgency and encourage your audience to make a purchase. 5. Provide value. Your content should provide value to your audience, even if they don't make a purchase. This helps build trust and credibility with your audience, increasing the chances of making a sale in the future. 6. Use your affiliate links strategically. Place your affiliate links strategically within your content, such as in the call to action or within the product review. This ensures that your audience can easily make a purchase through your affiliate link. By creating compelling content that highlights the benefits of the product and resonates with your audience, you can increase your chances of making a sale through affiliate marketing. In the next segment, we will discuss how to promote your affiliate products effectively. To make the most out of affiliate marketing, it is essential to promote your affiliate products effectively. Here are some tips to help you promote your affiliate products. 1. Use multiple channels. Promote your affiliate products through multiple channels, such as your website, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. This helps increase your reach and exposure, increasing the chances of making a sale. 2. Build an email list. Building an email list is an effective way to promote your affiliate products. Send regular newsletters and promotional emails that highlight your affiliate products and their benefits. 3. Use social media. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are excellent channels to promote your affiliate products. Share your affiliate links in your posts and stories, and use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. 4. Write product reviews. Writing product reviews is an effective way to promote your affiliate products. Write honest and detailed reviews that highlight the product's features and benefits, and include your affiliate link within the review. 5. Use paid advertising. Paid advertising such as Google Ads and Facebook ads can help increase your reach and exposure, increasing the chances of making a sale. Use targeted advertising that reaches your ideal audience and includes your affiliate link. 6. Collaborate with other bloggers and influencers. Collaborating with other bloggers and influencers in your niche can help increase your reach and exposure. Partner with them to promote your affiliate products and offer them a commission for every sale made through their unique affiliate link. By promoting your affiliate products effectively through multiple channels and collaborating with other bloggers and influencers, you can increase your chances of making a sale through affiliate marketing. In the final segment, we will discuss some common mistakes to avoid when using affiliate marketing. While affiliate marketing can be a lucrative source of passive income, there are some common mistakes that you should avoid. Here are some mistakes to avoid when using affiliate marketing. 1. Promoting too many products. Promoting too many products can dilute your message and make it difficult for your audience to trust your recommendations. Instead, focus on promoting a few high-quality products that align with your niche and audience. 2. Not disclosing your affiliate relationship. It is essential to disclose your affiliate relationship with your audience. This helps build trust and credibility with your audience, and it is also a legal requirement in many countries. 3. Not testing the products. Before promoting a product, it is essential to test it yourself and ensure that it meets your standards. Promoting low-quality products can damage your credibility and reputation as an affiliate marketer. 4. Not tracking your results. It is essential to track your results and analyze your performance regularly. This helps you identify what is working and what is not, and make necessary adjustments to your strategy. 5. Not providing value. Your content should provide value to your audience, even if they don't make a purchase. Focusing solely on promoting products can make your content appear spammy and reduce your credibility with your audience. By avoiding these common mistakes and focusing on promoting high-quality products that align with your niche and audience, you can make the most out of affiliate marketing and increase your revenue. Thank you for watching this video on how to use affiliate marketing. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.